Hello everybody, you're looking right here at the Moose Trex handlebar bag. I'm going to be using this for bike packing and sometimes some long rides when I need some extra water. I'll mount this on my bike. You can find this on eBay or Amazon. Very lightweight, it's all nylon. And here I'm going to show you how easy it is to mount. Just go right here. Let me put the camera down. And you go right here, some Velcro straps. There's the front handlebar Velcro strap. There's a small little side one that mounts to the stem. Tighten, secure that. And one more to make sure it doesn't fall off. There's a little loop here with a buckle. You put that around the head tube or stem. And it secures the bike. Secured to the bike very well. What's great about it is it has these little pouches, and you can add your gels right there and right there. You can actually add two. You can probably stuff a few more in there if you need to. And there's some gels in the front. Or there's a wider one if you want to start a little waffle or larger snack, some nuts. Some storage right there. Okay, but now the more important thing is what bottles can fit in here. Let's see here. We have your standard water bottle, and that fits very easily. One right there. If you need to secure it, if you're in a bumpy ride, you got this drawstring. That's about 18 ounces, and then we have an extra large water bottle, and that's how it looks. And more importantly, when you need some long rides or you're not sure your next water source, we have the Nalgene wide mouth. I believe that's 32 ounces, and it does fit very snugly, but it fits very nicely into the bottle bag. Look at that. So if you need, look, it's pretty secure. And so if you need a larger water source to carry, and if you're really on a long trip or out in a long dry road, this is the Nalgene tall wide mouth, and I believe it's 48 ounces. Let's see, yep, right there, 48 ounces. And this will also fit. Not very aerodynamic, but hey, when you need water, this is your choice. And it fits, protrudes the top a lot, but it does fit the bottle bag. And there you go. Moose Trex bottle bag, handlebar bottle bag. And I've been using this for about 3 months, and haven't had any problems with the bag. Okay, there you go. Boom. Boom. You're all set. So for your next backpacking ride or need extra source for carrying water, check out the Moose Trex bottle bag.